Hello, today I want to demonstrate how to borrow books from GIL Express. GIL Express is the courier service that is used between all of the various university and college libraries in the university system of Georgia, so all of the public schools in Georgia. Since one is searching for books, GIL Express only works with books. Click the book link and then use the drop-down menu to select USG for University System of Georgia, University Universal Catalog. Then enter your search terms. At the top of the resulting screen, you will see an option to log in for services. It's always good to do so at that point. As you pull down the menu, you will see that the books, some of them will have check availability from other USG libraries. These are the books that are available through the courier service. When you click on that, if you have not already logged on, you may be prompted to log in for services. At this point, you want to enter your net ID and password. Your net ID and password is the one you use to log into CourseDen. Since I have already logged in, I can show libraries and it will tell me what libraries own this particular book. So Valdosta State and University of Georgia both do. I'm going to try to borrow it from Valdosta State. When I click, I see that the item is in place, and I can use the little button to request the item. And because I've already logged in, it knows who I am. Request the book. I will not read an acknowledgement that the book is requested from this screen. So sometimes it is a good idea to print this screen with the title and author, or you can also look at your library account. So if you click Library Search, and you can check your requests. And when I click on Valdosta State, you can see that I have a request in process.